If you need to change the clasp on your device, first remove the old clasp by gently peeling it apart. If you look at the clasp close up, you'll notice that there are two prongs, and on each prong there's a ridge. In order to put the clasp in securely, you want to make sure that the band material goes completely over this ridge. To start, insert the clasp and pinch down. You'll notice that it's not completely in yet. It helps to use a credit card. Using the corner of the credit card, slide completely down and circle around the prong. Repeat for the second prong.